Everyone's seen these multimeters. This one that I bought only lasted 3 weeks before it burned itself out on 120 volts. So I'm going to try it on 7,000 volts and see what happens. This is like represent what would happen if you took one of these multimeters up to a primary voltage, I guess. Get a good shot of what's going on. That is nice. Oh, look at the high voltage symbol flashing in there on the screen. It's not lying. So. Too much voltage. Can't even handle it. Strangely enough, the thing that popped wasn't the half an amp 250 volt fuse. You can see that's still relatively intact. The thing that did fail was the voltage sensor on the shunt reactor, or shunt, whatever, current shunt. IC there, stayed in good shape. It's right there.